Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your TikTok username before 30 days. Now remember, that's a pretty simple, so watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do this. And yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. Without any further ado, let's start the video. So the first thing first, click on edit profile over here and click on where it says username, and as you guys can see over here, your username can be changed once every 30 days. You can change it again after June 29, 2021. So basically I can't change it right now. I need to wait until June 29 to change it. So let's say I want to change it right now. Basically what I can do is like close TikTok over here, and after closing TikTok, basically go to my setting and then change my date of my phone and forward it after July 29. So basically I can go over here and search for and go on date and time over here. You can also change your phone setting. Now over here it says automatically set date and time. I'm going to turn this off and click on set time. So right now I'm going to forward it past 30 days. Like I'm going to put it in August 4 right now. So this is my date, August 4. So basically what I can do is go back from over here, go back from my clock, and my time has been changed. Basically what I can do is go on TikTok again. As you guys can see, let me show you, my date has been changed. It's August, even though it's May, it's showing August. So we are good to go now. We are opening TikTok again. Wait for some time. Now my TikTok is open. Now I'm gonna go on me over here. Once I'm on me, I'm gonna click on edit profile, and I'm gonna go on username over here. As you guys can see, now I'm able to change my username again. So I can just choose Weezy Vister and change it. So it's simple as that. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, peace out, have a nice day, bye bye.